Hello and Grüß Gott. On today's video I'm going to be lubricating the clutch cable on my BMW F650GS 2012 year model. And since I live in the desert southwest, I'm going to use rim oil to lubricate it with, and I have a cable oiler. And the reason I'm using this instead of regular cable lube is because cable lube is kind of tacky and it'll get lots of fine dust in it out here. So I'm going to use rim oil instead, but you can use whatever product you want. To do this job, you're going to use some Torx bits, a hand torque instrument, and various open-end spanners. So we'll touch on those as we get to those points. So to lubricate this cable here, I'm going to need to take it loose off of the lever assembly. So what I'm going to do is I've marked the relative position of this to the handlebar, and I'm going to take these bolts loose and actually carefully take this out so I can rotate it, pull this cable out, and take it out from the lever underneath. And so I'll show you how that works here in a minute. All right, so I've taken the cable loose off the handle, and what I'm going to do is pull this out, and I'm going to put my oiler on, and I'm going to force some oil down into the cable. So I'll get that set up and I'll be right back. Okay, I have everything in place. The cable oiler is all tightened up against the cable. These are awfully messy, so let's see what I can do. Anyway, I'm going to inject some lube, and I want to inject a little bit at a time. See if I can get it to go all the way through the cable and come out the bottom. So I'll do that and we'll see how it comes out. Be right back. So I finished putting some oil in this cable, and it'll work its way down. So now I'm going to reassemble it back the way I took it apart. I'll snug down these bolts, and I'm going to put some low strength Loctite on them. I'm going to put them to about 6 or 8 Newton meters, and that should be it. So that's all there is. Thanks for watching. Tschüss.